Hello children, chapter 7 fraction, exercise 7a, question number 1. Circle the equivalent fraction in each of the following. First is 3 upon 4, 3 upon 8, 6 upon 8, 9 upon 12, 12 upon 15. Children, firstly circle the 3 upon 4, then circle the 6 upon 8, 9 upon 12. These three fractions are equivalent. Children, 3 upon 4. Multiply by 2 in the numerator and the denominator. The fraction is 3 2s are 6. 4 multiplied 2 equal to 8. The fraction is 6 upon 8. That is why 6 upon 8 is the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 4. Similarly, 3 upon 4 write 3 upon 4 multiply by 3 in the numerator and denominator. 3 multiply 3 equal to 9. 4 multiply 3 equal to 12. 9 upon 12 is the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 4. Okay children? So your answer is 3 upon 4, 6 upon 8, 9 upon 12 are equivalent fraction. Children, next question is 5 upon 10, 15 upon 25, 10 upon 20, 15 upon 30, 50 upon 100. Find out the equivalent fraction. 5 upon 10, 10 upon 20, 15 upon 30 and 50 upon 100. All are equivalent fraction. Write 5 upon 10. Children, multiply by 2 in the numerator and denominator. 5 multiplied 2 equal to 10. 10 multiplied 2 equal to 20. The fraction is 10 upon 20. That is why 10 upon 20 is the equivalent fraction of 5 upon 10. Similarly, 5 upon 10 multiply by 3 in the numerator and denominator. 5 multiply 3 equal to 15. 10 multiply 3 equal to 30. 15 upon 30 is the equivalent fraction of 5 upon 10. Okay children? 5 upon 10 multiply by 10 in the numerator and denominator. 5 multiply 10 equal to 50. 10 multiply 10 equal to 100. 50 upon 100 is also equivalent fraction of 5 upon 10. That is why 5 upon 10, 10 upon 20, 15 upon 30, 50 upon 100 all are equivalent fraction. In the next question, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 12, 3 upon 18, 4 upon 25, 7 upon 42. Circle the equivalent fraction. 1 upon 6, 3 upon 18, 7 upon 42. All are equivalent fraction. Write 1 upon 6. Multiply by 3 in the numerator and denominator. 1 multiply 3 equal to 3. 6 multiply 3 equal to 18. 3 upon 18 is the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 6. Similarly, 1 upon 6 multiply by 7 in the numerator and denominator. 1 multiply 7 equal to 7. 6 multiply 7 equal to 42. 7 upon 42 is the equivalent fraction of the 1 upon 6. So that 1 upon 6, 3 upon 18, 7 upon 52 all are equivalent fraction. Okay children? Question number 2. Write the next 5 equivalent fraction. 3 upon 7. Children, we multiply the numerator and denominator by a common number other than 0 or 1. That is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Write 3 upon 7. Multiply by 2 in the numerator and denominator. 3 multiplied 2 equal to 6. 7 multiplied 2 equal to 14. Again write 3 upon 7. Multiply by 3 in the numerator and denominator. 3 multiplied 3 equal to 9. 7 multiplied 3 equal to 20. 1. 3 upon 7. Multiply by 4 in the numerator and denominator. 3 multiply 4 equal to 12. 7 multiply 4 equal to 28. 3 upon 7. Multiply by 5. 3 multiply 5 equal to 15. 7 multiply 5 equal to 35. 3 upon 7. Multiply by 6. 3 multiply 6 equal to 18. 7 multiply 6 equal to 42. Children, your answer is 6 upon 14, 9 upon 21, 12 upon 28, 15 upon 35, 18 upon 42. All are equivalent fraction. Okay, this is the answer. Next is 6 upon 10. Find out the next 5 equivalent fraction. 6 upon 10. Multiply by 2 in the numerator and denominator. 6 multiply 2 equal to 12. 10 multiply 2 equal to 20. It is a first equivalent fraction. 6 upon 10 multiply by 3 in the numerator and denominator. 6 multiply 3 equal to 18. 10 multiply 3 equal to 30. 18 upon 30 is the second equivalent fraction. Now write the third equivalent fraction. 6 upon 10 multiply by 4 equal to 6 multiply 4 equal to 24. 10 multiply 4 equal to 40. 24 upon 40 is a third equivalent fraction. 6 upon 10 multiply by 5 in the numerator and denominator. 6 multiply 5 equal to 30. 10 multiply 5 equal to 50. 30 upon 50 is a fourth equivalent fraction. 6 upon 10 multiply by 6. 6 multiply 6 equal to 36. 10 multiply 6 equal to 60. 36 upon 60 is a fifth equivalent fraction. 12 upon 20. 18 upon 30. 24 upon 40. 30 upon 50. 36 upon 60. It is an equivalent fraction of 6 upon 10. Next is 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5 multiply by 2 in the numerator and denominator. 4 multiply 2 equal to 8. 5 multiply 2 equal to 10. 4 multiply by 3. 5 multiply by 3. 4 multiply 3 equal to 12. 5 multiply 3 equal to 15. 12 upon 15 is the second equivalent fraction of 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5 multiply by 4 in the numerator and denominator. 4 multiply 4 equal to 16. 5 multiply 4 equal to 20. 16 upon 20 is a third equivalent fraction of 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5 multiply by 5 in the numerator and denominator. 4 multiply 5 equal to 20. 5 multiply 5 equal to 25. 4 upon 5 multiply by 6. 4 multiply 6 equal to 24. 5 multiply 6 equal to 30. 24 upon 30 is the fifth equivalent fraction of 4 upon 5. Your answer is 8 upon 10, 12 upon 15, 16 upon 20, 20 upon 25, 24 upon 30. All are equivalent fraction. Okay, children? D. 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 multiply by 2 in the numerator and denominator. 1 multiply 2 equal to 2. 2 multiply 2 equal to 4. 1 upon 2 multiply by 3 in the numerator and denominator. 1 multiply 3 equal to 3. 2 multiply 3 equal to 6. 3 upon 6 is the second equivalent fraction of 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 multiply by 4 in the numerator and denominator. 1 multiply 4 equal to 4. 2 multiply 4 equal to 8. 1 upon 2 multiply by 5. 1 multiply 5 equal to 5. 2 multiply 5 equal to 10. 5 upon 10 is a fourth equivalent fraction of 1 upon 2. Next is 1 upon 2 multiply by 6. 1 multiply 6 equal to 6. 2 multiply 6 equal to 12. 6 upon 12 is a fifth equivalent fraction. Write the equivalent fraction. 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 8, 5 upon 10, and the fifth equivalent fraction is 6 upon 12. All are equivalent fraction. This is the answer. Okay, children. Question number 3. Are these fractions equivalent? 3 upon 8, 9 upon 24. Children, two fractions are said to be equivalent if the product of the numerator of first and the denominator of the second is equal to the product of the denominator of the first and the numerator of the second. Write 3 upon 8, 9 upon 24. Three multiply by 24 is equal to the 8 multiply 9. 3 is the numerator of the first, 24 is the denominator of the second fraction, 8 is the denominator of the first fraction, and 9 is the numerator of the second fraction. Children, the product of the 3 multiply 24 is equal to 8 multiply 9. Then these two fractions are equivalent. 3 multiply 24 equal to 72. Write 72. Equal 8 multiply 9 equal to 72. Both are equal. It means 3 upon 8 and 9 upon 24 are equivalent fraction. Okay, children. Next is 5 upon 6 and 10 upon 18. Two fractions are equivalent if the product of the numerator of the first, that is 5, and the denominator of the second, that is 18, is equal to the product of the and the numerator of the second, that is 10. 5 multiply 18 equal to 90 is equal to 6 multiply 10 equal to 60. 90 is not equal to 60. It means 5 upon 6 and 10 upon 18 are not equivalent fraction. Next is 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. 2 multiply 4 equal to 3 multiply 3. The product of the numerator of the first and the denominator of the second is equal to the product of the denominator of the first and the numerator of the second. 2 4s are 8. 3 multiply 3 equal to 9. 8 is not equal to 9. So that 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4 are not equivalent fraction. Next is D. 3 upon 4, write 12 upon 16. Two fractions are equivalent if the product of the nominator of the first, that is 3, and the denominator of the second, that is 16, is equal to the denominator of the first, that is 4, and the denominator of the second, that is 12. 3 multiplied 16 equal to 48 is equal to 4 multiplied 12 equal to 48. Both are equal. It means 3 upon 4 and 12 upon 16 are equivalent fraction. Question number 4. Fill in the missing nominator or denominator in this equivalent fraction. The first question is 2 upon 3 equal to 12 upon dash. Find out the denominator of the second fraction. Children, you know that 2 multiplies 6 equal to 12. So that multiply by 6 in the numerator and denominator like this. 2 multiplies 6 equal to 12. 3 multiplies 6 equal to 18. Your answer is 18. Next is dash upon 7 equal to 3 upon 21. Children, you know that 7 multiply 3 equal to 21. Multiply 3 in the denominator of the first fraction. Children, 1 multiply 3 equal to 3. So your answer is 1. Okay. Next is 3 upon 5 equal to 12 upon dash. 3 upon 5 equal to 12 upon dash. Children, multiply by 4 in the numerator and denominator. 3 multiply 4 equal to 12. 5 multiply 4 equal to 20. So your answer is 20. Right? 20. Next question is 21 upon 28 equal to 3 upon dash. Children, 21 divided by 7 equal to 3. 28 divided by 7 equal to 4. 21 divided by 7 equal to 3. 28 divided by 7 equal to 4. Your answer is 4. Okay? Okay, children. Thank you.